Hello friends, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is the story of golden egg. In this video, I will narrate a story of a golden egg. So this is the story of a poor farmer and his family. Many years ago, there was a small village named Sultanpur. In this village, there was one farmer named Sukhdas. He was living with his family. In his family, he has his wife named Mira and two children. The farmer was very poor but was very hardworking. He worked very hard every day in his farm for the bread and butter of his family. He used to work in a farm and cultivate some crops to earn money to provide the food and shelter to his family. But as his financial condition was very poor, he was unable to complete the daily needs of his family. So he was always unhappy and always in a stress. One day what happened? He was thinking about his poor financial condition and he was trying to find out a ways to earn the money. Suddenly he saw that there was one hen coming towards him. The farmer collected that hen and took it to the home and put it into the one room. In the morning he saw that the hen laid an egg. The egg was very shiny and bright. The farmer observed carefully that egg and finally he realized that it was an golden egg. So he became very happy and thought that if he sell this egg he can earn some money and provide food and shelter to his family and can complete the daily needs of his family. So he became very happy, collect that egg and sell it into the market. Next day what happened? The hen gives same type of the egg again. The hen used to give the golden egg every day. So the farmer was collecting the egg every day and selling it into the market and earning the monies. So he became rich within some days and he was getting rich day by day and after every day because of the golden eggs. One day what happened? The wife of the farmer Mira thought that if we cut this hen we can get the many golden eggs at a one time and we can be rich within a small time. She gives an idea to her husband Sukhdas. Sukhdas was also very illiterate. He was agree with the idea of his wife. So they cut this hen with the help of the knife, but they couldn't find any golden egg into the hen. But there was only a blood. The blood was spread everywhere and the hen was died. So Sukhdas realized that they had killed their hen which used to give a golden egg. He became very happy and disappointed and he was crying and he realized that they lose their way of earning money. So this was the story of a golden egg. The moral of this story is that illiteracy is a very dangerous. If we do not think before doing anything, it can be a harmful. And this story tells us that we can never be a greedy. If we become a greedy, we can lose everything that we have. So literacy is very important. If the Sukhdas and his wife was educated, they would never thought about cutting an hen. So the education is very important and this is the moral of this story. Thank you.